We are gonna make pecan pie pockets. What is better than a slice of pecan pie?
I bet I know.
A deep fried pecan pie.
I knew that.
That is the answer, because today it's all about Southern style. All right, son, a cup of sugar there.
Right.
Perfect. 2/3 a cup of a light corn syrup.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna spray this so that'll pour out easily. And we're gonna use 1/3 of a cup of butter. So go ahead and put that in.
2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup.
And if you would, scramble up those eggs real quick like for me.
All right. You don't want me to add these yet, do you?
Yeah, go ahead and add them.
Beauty.
There you go.
A little pinch of salt, Mama?
Yeah, to kind of balance out the sweet. So there we go. Now I've incorporated that egg pretty good into there, son. If you would just toss in our pecans.
All of them?
We're gonna use 1.5 cups of chopped pecans.
Okay.
So just right in there. These are gonna be real nutty and real good. Now, because pecan pie you'd ordinarily bake for 45 minutes to an hour, so we've got to get this cooked before we put it in our filling.
Right.
So that's why we're cooking this on top of the stove. So we're gonna just bring this to a boil, y'all, and we're gonna cut down the heat after it comes to a boil, Sonny boy, and then we're gonna let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and that'll get nice and thick. And then we're gonna put this into pie crust and we're gonna deep fry it. Who all's in? Alrighty, y'all. Look how nice and thick our pecan pie filling is, y'all. And we've added our vanilla flavoring. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Now, do this a couple of different ways. We're using a refrigerated pie crust, which fries up incredibly beautiful. Alrighty, and I'm just using a bowl because this is the size pie we want. Now, I'm gonna take this edge, Bobby. Come in with my finger.
Which brush or no?
Or brush. All right, now we're gonna come over here, y'all, and we're gonna take this fabulous pecan pie filling.
This is ridiculous.
They are ridiculous. All right, now we're gonna take the tines of a fork. We're gonna dip them in our flour, and we're gonna seal. Just like this, Bobby. So if you would be working on that one, I'm gonna show you another way, because pecan pie is so incredibly rich. This is a great way to just eat half of that pecan pie.
This one's a little bigger, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in first,
Okay.
all right?
Well, regardless, they won't take but just a minute. So these are literally only gonna take 2 to 3 minutes, son, because that dough is nice and thin, so it's not gonna take a whole lot of cooking. But I tell you what, I'm so very experienced in using this refrigerated pie crust, and I'm here to tell you, it cooks up so incredibly flaky. You would never know that you're using a store-bought prepared product.
Wow, that looks great.
Look, you can see that crust, Bobby. It's already trying to flake away.
Looks homemade.
That's a good pie crust, y'all. Correct time of day.
Those look good. I think we got some ice cream over here too.
Oh my gosh. And we've got a scoop of butter pecan ice cream. So there you go. This is out of this world, y'all. If you're a fan of pecan pie, this is a must try. You know, pecan pie is the one pie to me that you can't mess up.
Think so?
No fail. No fail.
Well, you didn't mess that one up.
No, it's delicious, son. In fact, all of our food has been delicious today. It's all about taking it to that next level, you know, Southern style.
That's right.
You've seen the pig, you've seen the green tomatoes, you've seen the pecans, and that's all very, very Southern. Hope y'all enjoy sharing our Southern roots with us today.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.